PR Functionaries Coordination Meet was organized at Scope Complex on 29th and 30th October 2009, in which a film appreciation course was conducted by Ranjit Studio Private Limited, New Delhi. The basic principles of pre-production, production and post-production of filmmaking was introduced to all the attended PR functionaries. Filmmaking is the process of making a film from an initial story idea through script writing, shooting and editing. Broadly, there are 4 stages of filmmaking. Development means the script is written and drafted into a workable blueprint for a film. In the pre-production stage, preparations are made for the shoot, in which cast, crew are hired, locations are selected and sets are built. Production stage means the raw elements for the finished film are recorded, and last, post-production stage, the film is edited. Medium and message of the film is must. In the documentary, you can say to collect the documents. Docudrama means document and drama. Both consists. Fiction means total drama is created. Adaptation means the transference of a work already in dramatic form. A dramatization is the term used for changing a prose work into a dramatic dialogue version. The target audience research is also must for a filmmaking. Making of a script, shooting a script and location survey is also must for a filmmaking. Please understand the camera work. CU. CU means close up, where the face fills the screen. BCU is the short form of big close up, showing only a part of the face. Likewise, MS. MS means medium shot or mid shot, half the figure above the waist. MLS. MLS means medium long shot, showing the complete figure or group of figures at close range. LS means long shot, figures at distance or objects at a distance. Two shot means 2 figures in the frame. Pan. Pan means where the camera moves laterally from one character to the other, from a character to an object or vice versa. Another pan called whip pan, the same movement at higher speed. Tracking shot means the camera moving with the characters. Pullback means the camera moving back from the characters or object. Tighten, going in towards them. Distinct from the tracking shot in that it is usually a change in focal length rather than the camera moving physically. High angle and low angle. It means exactly what they imply. Used more on film than in a studio, since the height is not always available on the set. Exterior, interior, often used when the scene encompasses shots both inside and outside. For example, getting into or out of a vehicle. Mix means is a crossfade from one scene to another, where the images merge rather than change abruptly. Resume. Resume means returning to the point at which you left a scene after cutting to another scene. SFX means sound effects. Use only when you want a particular sound effect that affects the dramatic content. OS means out of shot or out of vision. VO means voiceover, which strictly speaking means a spoken narrative laid onto the scene afterwards in the sound editing. Filter means where the voice is distorted by technical apparatus as through a telephone receiver or loudspeaker. POV means point of view, literally where you wish the camera to see what your character is saying. The instruction of cut to his POV is quite commonly used. In the post-production of the filmmaking, editing is must. Medium of editing means non-linear. If you go through the non-linear, there is different parameter and different software available in editing, like FCP means Final Cut Pro, Canopus, Avid Graphics, and after that Rough Cut. Rough Cut means taken from sequence or scene based on individual takes, means shots. Fine cuts means getting all the shots to flow smoothly. After that, the trimming. Trimming means the process of shortening scenes by few seconds or even frames is done during this phase of post-production.
I am Priyanka from Bongaigaon Thermal Power Project. I believe this was a great learning experience for me coming for the 20th PR coordination meet, and this is my earnest hope कि ऐसे कुछ और भी future में organize किया जाए.
Hello, this is Ava Pandey from Badarpur Thermal Power Station. Workshop was done by Ranjit Studio Private Limited, which is of great learning experience. और इसमें हमने आइडिया से लेके पूरी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करने का क्या क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, क्या क्या एडिटिंग है, किस किस स्टेज से जाना पड़ता है, इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में बताया गया.
मैं श्यामला सारथी सीनियर मैनेजर पीआर हाइड्रो रीजन हेडक्वार्टर्स में हूँ और इस बार जो 20वां पीआर कोऑर्डिनेशन मीट हुआ उसमें मुझे ये फ़िल्म प्रोडक्शन का और ये जो सारी चीज़ें डिटेल में दिखाई दी थी ये बहुत अच्छा लगा और आप लोगों ने रंजीत स्टूडियो ने बहुत मेहनत किया है हम लोगों को कुछ सिखाने के लिए.
I am Kriti Datta. I am from Western Region Headquarter Mumbai. Entire PR meet was a great learning experience for us, and we have learnt a lot about our company as well as various aspects of communication, filmmaking, and I'm sure we will utilize it for the benefit of the company.
I am Albert, Manager Public Relations from Southern Region Headquarters. It has been a very useful and learning experience for all of us who have attended this 20th PR coordination meet in Delhi. And during this PR coordination meeting, apart from our regular deliberations and interactions, this time we have a very practical exposure to film making.
मैं अजय अज्ञात NTPC फरीदाबाद से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं. आप सब ने अपने अपने विचार रखे. मुझे भी इस मीट में आकर बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला.
My name is Suparn Kalra, APRO NTPC Tanda. 20th peer coordination meet has been a very enriching experience for me, and I've learned a lot in these 2 days of PR meet.
In continuation to this presentation, 10 days workshop was organized at Corporate Communication Department from 22nd February to 3rd March 2010, in which PR functionaries were given in-hand practical classes of filmmaking. The process of shooting means how to handle camera, the different technicalities of camera, the right process to capture a shoot. Besides, a live demonstration of editing means how to edit a footage.
Film appreciation course है आज के 3rd day. So far we have learned about the functions of a camera and how to operate it, and today we are learning about the style and process of anchoring as well as recording techniques.
आज बहुत अच्छा दिन है. आज हम अपनी ट्रेनिंग के लिए 1st फ्लोर से 7th फ्लोर पे पहुंच गए हैं और 7th फ्लोर से कॉमनवेल्थ की तैयारियों का नज़ारा बहुत अच्छे से दिख रहा है यहाँ पर।
नमस्कार, आज हैं हम एनटीपीसी के 7वें फ्लोर पे और जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हम 1 महीने की ट्रेनिंग के लिए यहाँ पे आए थे और जबकि अब सिर्फ 3-4 दिन ही बचे हैं तो हम बहुत ही गंदा फील कर रहे हैं दैट वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर।
Good afternoon everyone, myself Sudhir Negi and I'm reporting from NTPC Scope and it's 7th floor. It's very good feeling to have in front of camera and all officers.
आज हम अपने दर्शकों को लिए चलते हैं कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स की तैयारियों की ओर। सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे कि स्टेडियम में क्या क्या काम हो रहा है। मुश्किल से 200 दिन बचे हैं और हमको नहीं लगता है कि कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स की तैयारियां पूरे जोर शोर पर हैं।
मेरा नाम राजेंद्र सिंह, मैं कॉर्पोरेट पीआर से बोल रहा हूं। मिस्टर पीके बनर्जी ने हमारे लिए 10 दिन की ट्रेनिंग की व्यवस्था की है। मैं अपने पर्सनल लेवल पर उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
नमस्कार, मैं कंचन खनीजा स्कोप कॉम्प्लेक्स कोर नंबर 7 के टेरेस से रिपोर्ट कर रही हूँ। मैं कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स के बारे में यहाँ कुछ नहीं कहूँगी, लेकिन जी हाँ, हम जो ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रेनिंग है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि हर 6 महीने में इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग हो।
I am Rajput, reporting from the rooftop of Core 7 Scope Complex at Lodi Road, which houses NTPC's corporate office. NTPC, the largest power producer of the country.
Good afternoon, my name is Niharika. I'm reporting to you from the 7th floor of the NTPC complex. It's a beautiful February afternoon and we are gathered here to do a film appreciation course.
और मैंने बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा है। मैं देख रहा थे कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स का ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਕੰਮ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ, ਐਲੀਵੇਟਡ ਰੋਡ ਬਣ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਨਹਿਰੂ ਸਟੇਡੀਅਮ ਬੜਾ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੇ।